Welcome to Best Choice. The best baking mixes is probably one of the most exciting trends in the food industry right now. Whether you're a seasoned baker or just starting out, the world of gluten-free options can be a bit overwhelming. But fear not, because today, we're diving deep into the best gluten-free baking mixes on the market, helping you find the perfect blend for your next culinary adventure. Number 5. King Arthur Gluten-Free Pancake Mix, 15 ounces. Start your day with fluffy, delicious pancakes, free from gluten. This mix is certified gluten-free, making it a safe and tasty choice for those with sensitivities or celiac disease. It's a delightful way to enjoy breakfast. This pancake mix is made with carefully selected non-GMO ingredients. You can serve these pancakes to your family with confidence, knowing that it provides a wholesome and natural breakfast option. This mix meets strict kosher dietary guidelines, making it suitable for those following kosher diets. It's a versatile breakfast option that caters to various dietary needs and preferences. Enjoy it with peace of mind. Preparing these pancakes is incredibly easy. Just add water, oil, and eggs to create a smooth batter. In minutes, you'll have perfectly fluffy pancakes that rival traditional recipes. It's ideal for busy mornings. King Arthur Baking Company, founded in 1790, is America's oldest flour company. As a 100% employee-owned business, they are committed to providing the highest quality baking products. They also inspire recipes for their customers. What we like. This pancake mix is made with non-GMO ingredients, ensuring a wholesome breakfast. It's also incredibly easy to prepare, perfect for busy mornings. If you are looking for a quick, safe, and delicious gluten-free breakfast from a trusted brand, this is the one for you. What people say. The pancakes come out fluffy and light, not dense or gummy the way some gluten-free mixes can be. The flavor is mild and slightly sweet, which makes it perfect as a base. You can enjoy them plain, or add blueberries, chocolate chips, or even a little cinnamon without overpowering the taste. The texture is light and fluffy, and the flavor is just right, not too sweet but still delicious. Number 4. Betty Crocker Bisquick Gluten-Free Mix, Pack of 6. Introducing a versatile mix for all your gluten-free needs. This mix makes delicious pancakes, waffles, and biscuits. It's a perfect choice for breakfast, dinner, or even dessert. This mix is your go-to for a variety of recipes. You can create pancakes, waffles, biscuits, and more. It's a convenient pantry staple for anyone following a gluten-free diet. Made with no preservatives, artificial flavors, or colors, this mix ensures great taste. It allows the natural flavors of your recipes to shine through. Enjoy the quality you expect from Betty Crocker. Get creative with your favorite toppings. Add gluten-free syrup, whipped cream, chocolate chips, butter, or fruit. The possibilities are endless with this mix. Each package contains 6 16-ounce boxes of the mix. There are about 10 servings per package, making it a great value. Stock up and enjoy delicious gluten-free treats anytime. What we like. This mix is incredibly versatile, allowing you to make pancakes, waffles, and biscuits. It's made without artificial flavors or colors, so the great taste of your recipes shines through. If you like to experiment with different recipes and enjoy customizing your treats, you should consider this. What people say. It is so hard to find delicious gluten-free bakery products, and I love how versatile and easy and good this mix is. The pancakes and waffles we make with it turn out wonderfully fluffy and delicious, with that classic taste that we all love. It's very versatile and makes me feel like I'm getting a treat. Number 3. Miss Jones Gluten-Free Monster Cookie Mix. This mix from Miss Jones Baking Company has more chocolate chips and candies than other brands. It delivers a gooey, delicious experience in every single bite. This product is certified gluten-free and made with whole grain oats. You can feel good about giving it to your family, and it even supports breast milk supply. All you need is 1 egg, half a cup of peanut butter, and 2 tablespoons of unsalted butter. It's simple to make, whether you want mini, regular, or giant cookies. With this mix, you don't have to sacrifice taste. No one will know these cookies are gluten-free, made with whole grains, and have 3 g of fiber per serving. They taste amazing. This is a new favorite cookie. Try it, and you'll agree that it has everything you want and nothing you don't. What we like. This cookie mix is packed with more chocolate candies than other brands. It's also made with whole grain oats, making it a more nutritious treat. If you like a cookie with lots of chocolate and are looking for a gluten-free option that's easy to bake, this is a great choice. What people say. The instructions on the box were clear and simple, which made preparation easy even on a busy day. The cookies were soft and on the inside, with a rich peanut butter base and lots of chocolate pieces. These are essentially a peanut butter oatmeal cookie with chocolate chips and M+M style candies mixed in. They requires only 1 egg, 2 tablespoons butter, and half a cup of peanut butter to make. Just as easy to make as any other cookie mix, and they bake up chewy and wonderful. Number 2. Bob's Red Mill Gluten-Free Baking Mix. Introducing Bob's Red Mill Gluten-Free Biscuit and Baking Mix. This mix is a convenient base for all your gluten-free baking needs. Don't limit yourself to just biscuits. This versatile mix is perfect for pie crusts, pancakes, scones, and shortcakes. We've included xanthan gum, so all you need from your kitchen is butter and water or milk. It's that simple to create delicious treats. Enjoy the taste of homemade baked goods without the gluten. It makes about 18 biscuits. With this mix, you can bake with confidence knowing you're using a trusted brand. It's perfect for all your gluten-free baking adventures. What we like. This mix serves as a convenient base for gluten-free treats. It's not just for biscuits, you can also make pie crusts, pancakes, scones, and shortcakes. If you are looking for a simple mix that can be used for multiple recipes, this is the one for you. What people say. Best tasting gluten-free mix. These weren't overly dense, they crumbled like a real biscuit and the flavor was bomb. Makes amazing buttermilk biscuits and they are gluten-free. Number 1. JUDEE'S Gluten-Free Meringue Powder Mix. Want to elevate your baking? This mix is perfect for creating exquisite meringue cookies, pies, and vanilla frosting. Just add water and watch it transform your baking into a masterpiece with ease. This powder serves as an ideal egg substitute, effortlessly replacing egg whites in various recipes. Incorporate it into your cookie decorating supplies for a seamless and delicious baking experience. Produced in a dedicated gluten-free facility, this meringue powder mix ensures a worry-free choice for those with dietary restrictions. The resealable pouch preserves freshness, supporting your cookie baking supplies. Enjoy a pure taste with ingredients like superfine sugar, dried egg whites, and natural vanilla flavor. The mix is perfect for creating royal icing mix and lemon curd, adding depth to your baking repertoire. Since 2009, JUDEE'S has been synonymous with high-quality, gluten-free baking ingredients, suitable for all culinary enthusiasts. It's a must-have in your baking ingredients and cookie decorating kits. What we like. This meringue powder makes creating meringues easy. It also serves as an egg white substitute, making it versatile for various recipes. If you are looking to create exquisite meringue cookies or need a gluten-free egg substitute, you should consider this. What people say. The mix made excellent pancakes. The muffins were delicious and had a great texture. The bread turned out beautifully. You can find the Amazon purchase link in the description below. Hope this video can be helpful to you. Thanks for watching.